Final words on UX. Hi there and congratulations with ending UX section. We will be covering more about UX in later lessons like prototyping our app and interaction design, but for now you can take your time and tap to your shoulder. You did a great job and you can have a cake. Seriously, have the best students so far, and I hope that my teaching is good enough to make sure all of you will get every concept clear. I hope you like it and learn something new in these lessons. So after a cake and a cup of coffee, I hope that I will see you in the next section where I will show you the basics of Adobe Photoshop and how to use it in order to create awesome mobile app designs. I will cover everything what you will need to create interface designs in Adobe Photoshop. I won't focus on how to remove red eyes or how to add Instagram effects on your selfie. There I'm going to show you how to use Photoshop especially for user interface design. So get ready for more content